Tell us a little bit about the project here.
Okay, this is our home. We're Rudy and Becky Orozco. We had Horizon come over and do the job for us of the stacked stone, which we wanted because our stucco on our house was falling off due to water damage and alkali in the dirt. So we selected Horizon because we had shopped around and we really liked what we saw at the Horizon showroom. So they came over and they did the stacked stone for us and also painted our house and painted the woodwork for us. We were very pleased with what they did and we couldn't be happier. We truly will recommend them to our friends and neighbors and family. And like I said, we're the happiest that we could have been.
Oh, that's wonderful. And your house looks amazing. Let me show a little bit what Becky told us here. This is the stacked stone. Look how pretty it is and shiny in the sun. It have grays colors and silver and white. And how the blue, the dark blue looks good on it for the paint. It's continued for the all front of the house, the stacked stone. I will just continue showing you. It's going all across. It's very, very pretty. Yes. And even the columns next to the stairs in the landing look so beautiful. Look at it. Let me show you a little bit from far away. You will see the planters too, the matching planters. Look how pretty it is. The nicest house in the neighborhood. Enjoy.
We will.
Thank
For
you.
a long time.